Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title, Understanding Python Invalid Syntax in If Statements, a comprehensive tutorial. Introduction. When working with Python, encountering invalid syntax errors is a common occurrence, especially when dealing with if statements. This tutorial aims to help you understand the reasons behind such errors and how to correct them. We will explore common scenarios that lead to invalid syntax in if statements and provide examples to illustrate each case. Example. To fix this issue, ensure that the code inside the if statement is indented properly. Example. To resolve this, add the missing colon. Example. To fix this, align the else statement correctly. Conclusion. Understanding and correcting invalid syntax errors in Python if statements is crucial for writing error-free code. By paying attention to indentation, ensuring the presence of colons, and correctly placing else statements, you can avoid common pitfalls that lead to syntax errors. Practice these principles in your code, and you'll become more adept at spotting and fixing syntax-related issues. ChatGPT.